A beam of light hits your skin. You can barely feel it. But deep inside your cells, something significant is already happening. Here's what photobiomodulation, light therapy, actually does. It uses specific wavelengths of red and near-infrared light. Not heat, not UV. Just targeted light energy that passes through your skin and reaches your cells directly. And once it gets there, it sets off two separate chain reactions that touch nearly every system in your body. The first reaction happens inside your mitochondria. Think of those as the tiny power plants living inside every cell. Light energy hits them, and they respond by producing more ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and it's basically your body's universal fuel. Every muscle contraction, every nerve signal, every heartbeat runs on it. More ATP means better muscle performance, sharper thinking, stronger memory, improved metabolism, healthier joints, and better heart function. Every system that needs energy, which is every system, suddenly has more of it. The second reaction releases nitric oxide, which scientists call the miracle molecule. Nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to widen and relax. That's called vasodilation. Wider vessels mean better circulation, which carries more oxygen and glucose straight to your cells. That rush of circulation accelerates wound healing, reduces inflammation, decreases swelling, lowers blood pressure, boosts your immune system, and delivers real, measurable pain relief. Nitric oxide also reduces muscle soreness and supports cognitive function. On top of both those pathways, a single light therapy session activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and repair mode, shifting you out of stress and into recovery. 2 molecules, 1 session. A chain reaction that reaches your muscles, your brain, your blood vessels, your immune system, and your nerves all at once. Your mitochondria are light sensitive. Shine the right wavelength on them, and they power up the very molecule behind every heartbeat, every thought, and every move you make.